2 of our journey takes us from Clarenville to Gander, about 150 kilometers. I think it's worth noting that not all mileage on an ATV trail is created equal. Anyone with any experience would know that. As you get closer to the larger towns with active snowmobile and ATV clubs, the trails are wide, smooth, and fast. But the farther out you go, the trails start to roughen up. Speeds drop and the ride demands a little more attention. On the west coast of Newfoundland, you have to use old logging roads in some cases. The trip across Newfoundland is a real mixed variety, but that's what keeps it interesting and exciting. And honestly, all that just suits us fine. This trip isn't about racing from point A to point B. It's about the journey in between. We stop every half hour to an hour to regroup, stretch, swap stories, or just soak it all in and take pictures. And with scenery like this, it's impossible not to stop. Crystal clear rivers, endless forests, wide open views. Sometimes pulling over to snap a photo, other times just leaning over a bridge hoping to spot a salmon moving upstream. This is the kind of riding that reminds you why you come to Newfoundland in the first place. Slow enough to notice the details, but fast enough to keep the adventure rolling.
Take video of me struggling off my bike. Don't need any proof of that.
Nova, you're ATVing throughout Newfoundland and having an adventure, this is a must-stop place to just take a break, reconnect, refresh. You always get a little bit of a breeze down the river. Just beautiful, beautiful falls, and this is just a great little stop. On the day we go from Clarenville to Gander, we always stop at the Dep, which is a little convenience store that has sandwiches and fried chicken and stuff. Have lunch and then take it up to the beach there and just enjoy the scenery. It's such a beautiful spot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.